I'm sure you all have seen the Jade Roller popping up on your Insta feed. Everyone's using it. In today's video, I want to go over everything you need to know about the Jade Roller. Is it worth the hype or is it just another beauty trend? Hey guys, this is Dr. Sidra. I'm a pharmacist passionate about health, pharmacy, and beauty. If this interests you, keep watching and subscribe for more. Alright, so let's talk about the much hyped Jade Roller. It's an ancient tool but very popular these days. Well, I think thanks to the power of social media. So should you really invest in it? Is it really worth the hype? I'm gonna break down everything for you in this video. So Jade Roller is basically a beauty tool made of jade that's used for face massage. Nothing new. It's been around for thousands of years to help with the skincare. Now the crystal jade is not just aesthetically pleasing, but it's said to have healing powers. Like if you believe in the power of crystals, then you're basically putting the crystal energy right into your skin. But most of the benefits of the Jade Roller come from the fact that jade is cold to touch even when you put it on the skin. And for even better results, you can further cool it down by placing it in the fridge. So basically, the science behind applying cold sensation on your skin is very simple. Cold actually restricts the blood flow, which builds pressure that pushes the fluid known as the lymph to the lymph nodes. And this process basically helps remove toxins from the skin. Which actually takes me to the first benefit of the Jade Roller, and that is it improves the blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. Lymphatic drainage is natural drainage of the fluid called lymph, which carries the waste products away from the tissues, and it helps maintain the proper blood circulation. It also helps get rid of excess fluid. So if your face is puffy due to fluid buildup, you want to use a Jade Roller towards the lymph nodes, which are actually located in your neck and slightly behind the ear. This will stimulate the lymph movement, which can carry any excess fluid and toxins away from your face and give it a nice, fresher glow. Another benefit of using Jade Roller is that it relieves muscle tension from the face. You'll be surprised to know that there are at least 42 different muscles on your face. And they do get tensed when you kind of squint your face, make different facial expressions, raise your brows and forehead. And you can notice when you make these different sets of expressions, it forms lines on your forehead, also around your eyes and the smile line, which over time can actually cause wrinkles. And we don't want wrinkles, right? So if you give your face a gentle massage using a Jade Roller, it's going to relax your face muscles, help relieve some of the tension, and kind of help fade away those fine lines. It's actually a great way to kind of tone and sculpt your face and kind of helps wake up your skin with that muscle movement. The next benefit of Jade Roller I want to talk about is it's going to supercharge your skincare products. And by that, what I mean is that it's actually going to help increase the absorption of your skincare products. Now, you can literally use the best skincare products out there. No matter how good they are, how expensive they aren't going to benefit you unless they absorb very well in your skin and kind of work their magic. So if you use an oil or serum in your skincare routine, after you apply it, you just want to massage your face with the Jade Roller. The massage will increase the blood circulation on your face, which in turn will increase the penetration of the product into your skin's deeper layer, giving it an extra glow. And if you want to use it without any oil or any product underneath, that's completely okay as well. But I really recommend putting on an oil or a serum to kind of help it glide over the face easily. And honestly, whenever I am extra tired from lack of sleep and overworking, my dull face literally tells it all. So to kind of conceal it and get that nice glow, I put a little bit of coconut oil on my face, massage it with Jade Roller, and instantly it gives a very nice rosy cheek and a fresher look. And coconut oil anyways has so many benefits for skin. I actually have a full video that kind of explains how you can use the coconut oil on your skin. Do check that out. I'm sure you're gonna love all the benefits of coconut oil. Well, sometimes life gives us lemons and we kind of cry all night. Or in other case, the life becomes the bed of roses for us and we're just drinking all night, chilling and just staying up. In either case, it can actually result in puffy eyes, which don't look appealing at all. So we want to do something to fix it. Well, in this case as well, Jade Roller comes to rescue. So if you have puffy eyes, you can literally use the smaller end of the Jade Roller and massage it under your eyes carefully, not to get it in your eyes. And you actually want to start it from the inside of your eye, like from the nose towards the outside of your face. And by doing so, you can actually help get rid of some of the fluid under your eye. And it will work double duty if you take it fresh out of the freezer, since cold temperature are going to help constrict the blood vessels, which help get rid of that extra fluid in your tissues and give an awakening look. Jade Roller is a chemical-free beauty tool that people with all skin types can use without any harm. And I really love a nice massaging tool for my face that kind of gives me a luxury experience when doing my skincare. So I would definitely invest in it for the reasons I mentioned before. However, if you have acne and someone is trying to sell you a Jade Roller with a claim that it's going to help you with those acne, then my friend, I'm sorry to be the bearer of the bad news, because Jade Roller doesn't help with the acne. Although the cool temperature of the Rolling Stone does help temporarily soothe the inflamed acne skin, but Jade itself cannot cure acne. Also, some people claim that Jade Roller can stimulate collagen production, but my friends, there is no such evidence to prove it. The only truly effective ways to improve your collagen is through peels, retinoids, and I guess dermatological treatments. So you can literally use a Jade Roller anywhere, on your face, neck and eye area, also all over your body. I do recommend cooling it in the refrigerator before using it. What I do is I just leave it in the refrigerator overnight, and in the morning I do my normal skincare routine and then massage the roller on my face in the upward direction, just like that. And also you want to do it sideways, like that. So start from the chin right here and go outwards towards the ears, because the lymphatic drainage is located on the sides of your face, kind of towards the neck and behind your ears. And also you always want to make sure you use gentle pressure and roll it from the center of your face towards the outside, and you want to move it in the direction of your face's natural contour, like that. Also on this side, like start from the center and then move it outwards. Just a mild, gentle pressure. And one last thing is you want to make sure that you're using the right size. Like the smaller size is kind of ideal for under eyes. You don't want to use the bigger size under eyes because of the obvious reasons. The bigger side is for your forehead, cheeks, and jawline, also for your neck or the whole body. Another thing is you want to choose the right material. Make sure your roller isn't made from porous material, because that can easily trap any bacteria, and this can cause acne, breakouts, or any allergic reaction. And one thing I can't emphasize enough is that you have to be regular. You have to be consistent to see the result. With skincare products, often people become impatient and expect the results overnight. Well, honey, nothing happens overnight. Good things take time. So you have to consistently use it for a couple of weeks to see its result. I use it at least 3 to 4 times a week for at least 10 minutes. But if you're really dedicated to your skincare, you can use it for 5 minutes twice a day. And like I said before, remember, consistency is the key. All right, so this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe now for more awesome content on health, pharmacy, and beauty. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, take care. Bye.